Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Ray of Success. Today we are going to discussing about what is mean by impulse response and what is mean by step response. First, let's move to the topic what is mean by impulse response. The definition of impulse response is it is the response of the system when the input is impulse signal. What is impulse response? It is the response of the system when the input signal is impulse signal. Here we have a system. Here we giving an input signal that is del of t. Then the response of this system is represented by h of t. That is known as impulse response. This impulse response is defined by h of t should be equal to h of del of t. Also, if you consider system is time invariant, then we can represent the impulse response h of t minus tau is equal to h of del of t minus tau. Also, if you consider discrete time linear time invariant system, its impulse response can be represented by h of n equal to h of del of n. Okay. Next, what is mean by a step response? By definition, it is the response of the system when the input is unit step signal. What is a step response? It is the response of the system when the input is unit step signal u of t. Here we have a system h. Here we are giving an input signal that is unit step signal. Then the response of this system is step response. It is represented by s of t. S of t should be equal to h of u of t. Okay. What is the relationship between impulse response and step response? If we know the value of impulse response, we can find out step response. That means s of t should be equal to integral of minus infinity to t h of tau d tau. Also, if we know the step response, we can find out the impulse response. The relation is h of t should be equal to differentiation of step response. That is differentiation of s of t. Thank you.